Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can connect tools and automate tasks with AI agents. Here's our dashboard. First of all, navigate to the AI Agents section. Here you will find all the popular agents. You can also create your own agent by clicking here. To view all agents, click on View All Agents. On the left, you'll find different categories of agents. Clicking on a category will display a list of agents within that category. Let's connect this email assistant with our Gmail to draft replies, send emails, schedule follow-ups, and more. To do this, click on the agent name. This will bring up the agent profile. Go to the Tools section and click on the toggle to enable tools. Once tools are enabled, you will see a list of all available tools. There are also options to go to Research for research tools and Apps to see all available apps. If you are looking for a specific tool, use the search bar. To connect Gmail, click on the toggle next to Gmail. Then hit Connect. Select your account and click on Continue, and continue once again. As you can see, our tool is now connected. Click on these actions to select the necessary actions. We'll enable Send Email, Delete Email, and select all the other actions that you need help with. Once done, click on Update to save your changes. Our agent is ready. Let's start a new chat by clicking on New Chat. Here you can type your requests. Let's say we need a summary of the last 3 emails. We will type our request and hit Send. Here we can see a summary of the 3 most recent emails. If we navigate to the Inbox section, you can see the first email is from SEMrush, the second from Apple, and the third one from Kroolo. Let's head back to the dashboard. You will see the same information here. Let's say we want to reply to the first email. We can use this agent to draft a reply. Type your request and hit Send. The AI agent is now working on drafting a reply to SEMrush. Draft reply has been created. To view the draft, let's go back to the inbox. Then we will click on Drafts. Here's the draft ready to be sent. And that's how you can connect tools and automate tasks with AI agents. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.